So, yes, just a few more tips and tricks and feed forward some of the stuff we've seen. So, I don't know, page 2? Yes, it's just a bit slow in uploading. So there was one person in the surveys who were asking for direct sound tips, how to make the sound better. We always struggle with the sound. So the first tip is to stay close to the source. The second tip is to limit any background noise. So only one person talking at the time, or if you have a door, close it. Of course, you always do that, but just be aware of that. And speak up, the person as a teacher, be loud and clear. And the fourth one is, but that costs a little money. You can use a microphone. This is actually a microphone, but you won't, you know, you can do that if you don't have a loud, clear voice in the beginning, but also it's ought to have this hanging in your ears. But then you can buy a thing like this. This is an example of a microphone, and you can get an extension, so you get a 6-meter extension. I don't know what it costs, but maybe it's €60 or something like that. I don't think it's a big problem in most of your videos, but there was just someone who asked for this. Remember that we gave you some handouts, and they should be also online. This handout on sound, light, and movement are actually talking through the 3 first of the things I've mentioned here. Other things I want to share with you, and these pictures or these photos are from the teacher training event in Vejle, is also for the, not only for the sound, but also for actually seeing what's going on. Sometimes you want to have close-ups and get really close to what you're showing. And sometimes you might even want to intrude a bit, but that's the prerogative of the video photographer. There are many ways to stabilize your camera if there's a person helping you. I love this one from Vejle. And when you do movements, and that's the one who's recording, remember Tai Chi. We spoke about that in Vejle with some of you, but to move slowly like you're doing Tai Chi. I don't know if any one of you have done Tai Chi before, but it's a reminder of that, you know, the lenses cannot follow that quickly. So avoid backlighting. That is, you don't want to point the camera where you have the windows in front of you. You want to have the light coming from behind. Always remember this, and also be aware of the shadows. It's also written in the handout. Sorry for this one, but I've seen that a few of you have forgot that we're going from phone to camera when we are actually doing the videos. So this position is not allowed. We want to have the horizontal position when we do the camera, and fingers off and all that, which is also mentioned in the camera, in the handouts. As we saw in the videos, show materials, make photos with your device. Very good idea. Keep the 5 minutes as a maximum for your next video. I know it's hard to kill your darlings and get rid of good clips, but people don't have a lot of time, and it's not necessary to see a lot. And if you want help to how to structure it, remember that there are minutes or seconds, a maximum given in each of the 6 boxes in the clipboard. So, and when you make a plan, remember, we spoke about that in Vejle, you always have a plan, but something doesn't go according to plan. So like this guy on the right, Mike Tyson said, everybody has a plan until they get punched in the face. And it will be the same when we do this. And let's embrace all the things that happen and improvise from there. That's for me, and I'll hand over the word to Lucas.